2019 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, trip computer, passenger airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.